Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the second part of the previous video, that is a medication misadventure. So let's begin the video. What are the two major types of the ADE, adverse drug events? There are the two major types of the ADE, which are potential ADE and amelioratable ADE. Potential ADE are these curable and protected adverse effect events that results from the dilutions in the wrong medications that goes to the patient and cause them a lot of harm. Half of the total ADE cases are the preventable, and the second type of the ADE are non-preventable. So this is a major difference between the two types of the ADE. It is a kind of the adverse drug events in which a patient undergoes harm from a medication that will not completely preventable. These are popularly known as side effects. And what is the major difference between the adverse drug reactions and adverse drug events? So the basic difference between the adverse drug reactions and adverse drug event is that ADEs include all medication error, for example, name confusion of the drugs, misadministration and calculation, etc., as I described previously. But ADR does not include any medication error. So this is a basic conceptual comparison between the ADR and the ADE concept. Any toxic or any harmful change which is suspected to be due to a drug normally used in man and occur at doses, or the doses which we can use normally in our practice. ADE, that is also the any medical occurrence which is not expected but present during treatment with a pharmaceutical product. Causal relationship between the drug and the event is suspected, but in the case of the ADE, no need to have a causal relationship. ADR are the allergic and the side effect, and ADE despite harm caused by the drug and harm from its uses. Medical errors are not included in the definition, but in the case of ADE, medical errors are included in the definition. Common example and allergy reactions from a medication and the aspiration pneumonia after the over sedation secondary to the morphine overdose is the adverse drug event. Misconception. It is a common misconception that the adverse event and the side effects are the same thing. In fact, I have seen these two words interchangeably, although they have different meaning, which healthcare professional may not be aware of. So this is the complete picture of the medication misadventure. In the C, you will see the ADR. In the B, you will see the ADE and side effects. But in the medication misadventure, all A, B, C, D, E are included. ADE is further divided into the ADR and EDR resulting from the medication errors. So itself medication error or a part of the medication error are included in the ADE, and all these four are included in medication misadventure. Medication error, any preventable event that has a potential to lead to inappropriate medication use or patient harm while the drug is in the control of healthcare professional, patient, or itself consumer. Medication error causes at least one death every day and injure approximately 1.3 million people annually in the United States. Factors that contribute to medication error: miscommunication, poor handwriting, product confusion, inaccurate dosage calculation, availability of the multiple concentration, like in the case of the ceftriaxone, preparation of the drug product outside the pharmacy, in the home, stress or the workload and the environment of the pharmacy, inadequate staffing, shift change, lack of experienced personnel on the duty, new employees less than 6 months also cause the medication error, equipment failure, labeling error, and etc. What are the side effects? A side effect is an undesirable effect that occurs when the medication is administered regardless of the dose. Unlike adverse effect, side effects are the mostly seen by the physician, and the patient is told to be aware of the effect that could happen while on the therapy. Some medications are even utilized due to their side effects. One example being mirtazapine, used in the anorexic patient due to the medication potential to cause the weight gain. So this is the common side effect of the LSD. As you can see in the right hand side, feeling several different emotions at once, altered sense of time and crossover senses, swaying repeatedly from one motion to another, and all these are the common side effects from the drug LSD. Tell me the classification of the LSD in the comment box. This is a basic difference between the side effect and the adverse effect. Side effects can be both therapeutic and harmful, but the adverse effects are the generally harmful and the undesirable. Side effects generally do not hinder the main effect of the drug, or it will not affect the therapeutic effect of the drug, while in the case of the adverse effect, it can hinder the treatment and can lead to more complication. Side effects are mild and self-resolving when compared to the adverse effect, and adverse effects are more severe and the life-threatening. So which one is more dangerous? That is adverse effect. So know the basic difference and the basic title of this topic. What is the basic difference between the side effect, adverse effect, or adverse events? Adverse effects, problem that occur when treatment goes beyond the desired effect, or problem that occur in addition to the desired effect. While in the case of the adverse reaction, any unexpected or dangerous reaction to a drug, an unwanted effect caused by administration of the drug, that is unwanted effect. Adverse event, unwanted harmful outcomes. The event may or may not be related to the treatment and is not the same as a side effect and an adverse effect, because it is not always clear whether the drug has caused the event. Again, this is a picture to clear your concept of the medication misadventure. So let's solve the mystery. Medication misadventure include all things that go wrong in drug use. What is that? It is a B, C, D, and E. In the case of the C, ADR are the subset of the adverse drug event. So itself, adverse drug reaction is the subset of adverse drug event and are not related to error. For example, allergy, that is caused in the most commonly caused by the penicillin. Now in the third point, section D, that is the adverse drug event resulting from the medication errors. Resulting from a medication error, example, reaction resulting from the unintentional overdose. So in the fourth point, adverse drug event, as you can see in the B, which is further two subsets, ADR and ADR, resulting from the medication error. ADE within the section B but not a part of the C or D are the side effects, as you can see. Include medication error that does not result in patient harm. For example, dose administered late but did not result harm in the patient. So this is the 10 rights of the medication: right patient, right drug, right dosage, right route, time, reason, documentation, evaluation, patient education, and right to refuse. Common high alert medication involved in serious error, that is IV adrenergic agonist and antagonist, IV calcium, chemotherapeutic drugs, digoxin, which is a narrowtherapeutic drug, also heparin, and the warfarin, insulin, lidocaine, that is an anesthetic, IV magnesium, emergency drug, neuromuscular blocking agent, high alert drug of the pharmacy. So that's all about this topic. I hope it will clear some of your concepts. Thank you so much for watching, and Allah Hafiz.